Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video on how to make ice cream, but also I wanted to review a cute little ice cream maker that I found on Amazon. I believe it was for $40. You'll have the details down below if you're interested. So today we're going to make chocolate ice cream. I already had made the chocolate portion of the ice cream prior. And to make the chocolate sauce, you'll need to get a saucepan and put it on medium heat. Then, add in 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll want to stir that constantly until it becomes smooth and simmers. Then place 3 egg yolks in a bowl and whisk it. Make sure not to put in any egg whites. Then once you've whisked the egg yolks, you're going to take half of the hot chocolate sauce and slowly pour it into the bowl, making sure to whisk it as you pour. Once the egg yolks and the half of chocolate sauce become smooth and joined, you're going to pour the sauce mixture back into the saucepan and mix. Turn off the heat after a minute of mixing the mixture. Add in 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and stir until it's smooth. Then take the sauce mixture and pour it into a bowl. You'll place that bowl in the fridge and let it chill for 2 hours. So now that it's cooled down, we're gonna add 2 cups of heavy cream to this. So I just went and bought whatever I could find. And whatever you have left over, you can always use to make butter in my other video where I make butter. So here's 1 cup. Pour it in slowly and mix it. Woo! My God, it's starting to look like chocolate ice cream. All right, so now you're gonna take another cup, which I'm pretty sure now I have leftovers for butter. Score for me. So you're gonna mix that up. Oh my God, I wanna taste this. I want to taste this right now. Oh my God. Okay. That is so good, guys. I haven't even added the vanilla. So finally, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence to the mixture. This is only a half a teaspoon, so I will be adding 2 of these. Mix that up. All right. Right, so now that we mixed everything up, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get the frozen portion of this ice cream machine thingy-mabob. And just so you guys know, it did say that it takes 24 hours to freeze ahead of time, so I did prepare. All right. Ah, that's where I left that. Just gonna get this. Right, so we got our frozen ice cream pot. We're gonna put it on. Then I believe this goes this way. And then this goes on top, right in place. So once you have this in place, you're gonna go ahead and turn it on and pour your ice cream inside, slowly. So this is what it looks like currently. Just mixing away. Right. It's liquefied. On the sides, you can see it's a little bit more of a ice cream texture. It should take about 30 minutes for the ice cream to be completely completed and done and edible. And it'll be 30 minutes in 3, 2, 1. It's been 30 minutes. Let's turn it off and take a look. All right, so this is what it looks like a pale brown goddess of some sort. We're gonna take it out and put it inside this blue bowl. Oh my God, guys, this is, oh my God, guys, it tastes so good. Oh, just imagine like a halo, just, hallelujah. It's very tough, but it's thick. Look at it, it's like very creamy ice cream that you buy at the store, except you didn't buy it at the store, you made it so it's like 20 times better organic. All right, so it's definitely thick and smooth and buttery. My mouth is salivating right now, and I'm not even really a ice cream person, or a dairy person all that much, but everybody knows real ice cream is made with dairy, so I'll forego the issues. So as you guys can see, it made a good amount of ice cream. I'd say that's close to like a pint, maybe even a whole, actually this is like a whole tub worth of ice cream that you would get at the store. And it came out to, with all the ingredients, $3, maybe $4. If you have sugar, of course, and salt and all that other stuff, at most it's $5, which I think is a snag for ice cream that's this amazing. So I'm trying to take everything out. I want to get as much as I can. It's melting a little bit because my apartment is kind of hot right now. So we're gonna try to speed this up. Yeah, this is like, I can't even talk about I'm not like a crazy ice cream person, but when I do have ice cream, I like to have like a particular brand. Can't recall the name, but I like it to be lightly chocolatey, but sweet, but soft. And this is everything, guys. It's everything and a handful of mess. So yeah, let's see if I can find someone to try it. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Speaking of the devil.
I was requested.
Would you like to try this?
I shall try.
I call this bad Mama Jama chocolate.
It's a lot of ice cream. It's like a breakup amount of ice cream.
Why does it have to be a breakup?
Wow, very, very soft and creamy. Very good.
Okay, get out now.
What?
Go. I flipped my hair. So yeah, guys, this was really fun. It took in total, not including the 24-hour pre-freeze of this little thing, about 2.5 hours to make, 2 hours to chill the chocolate fudge mix, and then about 30 minutes to make this. And it's delicious. What I would recommend though is making sure you have maybe an old ice cream carton to put this in so you have something to store it. I'm a mess. So I probably should have put the ice cream in this box in the first place, but you know, not all of us are bright eggs. So I'm gonna do that now before everything that I worked so hard at decides to melt. Yeah. Oh my God. This is like this reminds me of the Wendy's, you know those Wendy's Frosties that are just really smooth and like yummy. All right, guys. So yeah, this made about half, a little bit more than half, like 3/4 of a typical ice cream 1.5 quart ice cream container, which I think is a snag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This piece was really useful. This was really delicious. I'm very happy. So it's a win-win. So if I had to rate this product, I'd say it's about a 4 out of 5. I'm not entirely sure how well this would be for like froyo yogurts. All I know is that it works well with dairy-based products, like your typical ice cream, and I'm happy about that. It's not really that messy. The only thing you have to worry about is cleaning this. And other than that, I think it's a great win for life. All right, time to go in the freezer. I'll just put you right there next to my berries. I make a great smoothie, guys. All right, the aftermath of a breakup. No, I'm joking. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process. And till next time, if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Keep up with the content. I'm trying to upload more, get into a rhythm. It's gonna be a lot of things like this, sometimes some beauty reviews, and sometimes just some general healthy meals and tips that I like to practice throughout my life. Thank you guys so much. Peace. Goodbye. Adios. Au revoir. Bonjour? No, is bonjour a word? Isn't word. Oh, hello. Oh my god, it's so good.